Welcome to this crucial training session on evaluating high-ticket offers. We're moving beyond simple features to focus on what truly sells: transformation. Our goal today is to equip you with the metrics needed to audit any offer, ours or a competitor's, to ensure it's built for inevitable sales, not just hopeful ones. Most people evaluate an offer based on what it includes, the features. We, however, must evaluate based on the transformation it guarantees. Remember this truth: most offers fail due to poor framing, not poor service. A brilliant service buried in complex language will always lose to a clear, focused, average one. The first core metric we assess is transformation clarity. This is the difference between simply selling tools and selling a new reality. Transformation clarity starts with defining the before and after states. You must articulate the client's current pain before and the specific, desirable outcome after with surgical precision. When evaluating an offer, ask, does it articulate a guaranteed change? Does it move them from hustling for leads to predictable client acquisition? The clearer the movement, the stronger the offer. The second core metric is perceived value. This isn't the price you charge, but what the market believes the result is worth. An excellent offer is positioned to solve a high-value pain point. For our clients, that's not just more content. It's eliminating the content treadmill and achieving lead independence. We focus on value stacking, grouping features under major transformational outcomes. Feature dumping just confuses the buyer. Value stacking elevates the perceived worth. Our third core metric is positioning. This is about defining your offer so clearly that it eliminates direct comparison. You must evaluate how the offer differentiates itself. If it sounds like every other consultant or coach, it's a commodity. We want to build a category of one. Does the language repel the wrong client while attracting the right one? True positioning makes the competition irrelevant because you created a unique space only you occupy. The final core metric is narrative and story. This is the emotional bridge that converts attention into trust. A strong offer uses story to build trust and urgency. It connects the founder's journey, their truth, to the client's aspiration, creating a shared belief. The goal of the narrative is to pre-sell the lead before they ever get on a consultation call. They should arrive with high intent, already convinced that this is the solution. We've covered the four key metrics: transformation clarity, perceived value, positioning, and narrative. Now, let's reinforce the single most important principle. Remember, if the offer needs explanation, it's not structured properly. Clarity is the product. Complexity kills sales. Clarity drives demand. Apply these four metrics to audit all our current offers this week. Send your findings and suggested clarity improvements to the leadership team by EOD Friday.